and welcome to our third adventure in Festive Fall Flavors with the Brighton District Library. My name is Stephanie and I'm one of the Youth Services Librarians, and today I invite you to the magical Harry Potter inspired world of pumpkin juice. This drink is filled with some really fun festive fall flavors from pumpkin and spices and vanilla and apple, so I hope you enjoy and stay tuned for a yummy fall drink. Alright, so we're going to start with making our Harry Potter inspired pumpkin juice. And this recipe is quite simple. All we're going to do is mix all the ingredients together and put them in a pitcher, and then we will pour it over some ice. So to start, we're going to shake up our apple cider. You want to shake it up so that you make sure all of the sediment in it is all mixed in. And this is going to be 32 ounces. And this is a 64-ounce container, so we're just going to eyeball about half. This doesn't need to be a completely perfect science, and that's okay. A little bit more. That's about half of our container. And then we're going to do a pumpkin puree. And so our pumpkin puree is going to be 6 tablespoons of pumpkin. I'm going to mix that in. I pre-measured that. We're going to do 10 ounces of peach juice. Now, if you're looking for peach juice while at the grocery store, I had a hard time finding it. It's over by those kind of like specialty lemonades, so I'd recommend looking over there. So it's about a half a teaspoon of vanilla, and we're just going to eyeball this. About a half a teaspoon. And last but not least, we have a half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. We're going to mix that in. And give everything a really good stir. You want to break up that pumpkin puree because nobody wants chunks of that. This is a nice fall drink that you're going to get those apple flavors, pumpkin. For all of our pumpkin spice aficionados, this is a really good one for that because it's got pumpkin spice in it. And it's got just that hint of vanilla, which I always feel is another really nice, underrated fall flavor. I think more people think of that for the winter time, but I like it in the fall. So we have our big pitcher. This will make us a decent amount of glasses, and I've just filled up this glass here with ice, and we're going to pour some over it. And there you have it. There is your Harry Potter inspired pumpkin juice. Enjoy!